Hi guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel and welcome back to yet another new video. So today finally I'm gonna talk about something new, and this is another app called Smeaton. Now I think a lot of you have heard about it, but this was very new to me as well. I got to know about this app when I was scrolling Instagram. I got an advertisement advertisement, and I saw that this it has 6 tries. You can buy free products, and I was so drawn towards it. I just checked the Google and everything. I just checked, I saw everything like reviews, I read reviews, then I went through the YouTube videos as well, and I just wanted to make sure that it was not fraud, because I really wanted to purchase, and I also wanted to review to you guys so that you can also purchase this. So I went through everything and I got to know that it's not fraud, it is real. So now let me read a quick description about the app Smeaton. So Smeaton is a platform, Android. It is available in Android as well as iOS, that offers discovery, trials and purchase of lifestyle brand across multiple categories like beauty, grooming, food and beverage, health and wellness, fragrance, smart technology, accessories, service, experiences, and is targeted towards the upper middle class. So yeah, this is a quick description of the app Smeaton, and now let us get into the video. Let us talk, then let's get quickly into the video. Then you can buy free products, like trial products. You get 6 points and you can purchase like you have the points like 1 2 3 4 like that. You have every products have 1 point or 2 point, like in that way you can purchase it. And I bought 6 products, and with the trial you just only need to pay for the shipment, like shipping में जो होता है तो delivery charge, you need to only pay for that, and that was अगर आप कार्ड से पे करेंगे तो वो 200, and if you pay with like cash on delivery then it will be 250. So I was not sure about it, so I just went through cash on delivery, and it came yesterday. And this is the very decent packaging, like everything, like everyone has every brand, everything like वैसा ये है. But I was just expecting a little more, but that is all right. I'll show you what I was expecting more. So quickly just let us watch what do I have. So this is the packaging. It's a very decent packaging, and when you just open it, you just get a booklet at first, and it says try something new. It is somewhat like this, and when you just open it, like there are 600 plus brands, 4,000 plus products, 10 categories, and yeah, so it has nothing much, but just see what it has. Okay, so here is another one, is your Smeaton wallet empty. like यहाँ पर क्या होता है, जो आप डिलीवरी में पैसे देते हो वो आपके वॉलेट में डायरेक्ट ट्रांसफर हो जाता है. So and if you want to use that, you can use the 15% off code, and आपको एक कोड दी जाती है. So it has a valid date. So this is the first thing I got, and now let us see what's more inside. So now this is the first product which I have in my hand, and this is the creamy face cleanser from Dermaco, and the packaging is too small. Like it's a very decent packaging, plus छोटू सा है, but Dermaco के प्रोडक्ट एक्चुअली बहुत बड़े होते हैं. But this is the, I think that you know, travel packaging के लिए, like travel kit बनाने के लिए बहुत अच्छा होगा ये सब. And its price, original price was, I don't know what is the original price, but yeah, this is how it looks. ये इतना सा तो है, एक तो सा छोटा सा एकदम, but I think you can use it as, because it's trial. like trial में आपको मिलता है क्या है, 250 rupees में आपको इतने सारे चीज़ें मिल रहे हैं. I think you should be happy with it, but I just expected a little more. But whatever it is, I think it's a very decent thing. So now let us move to the next one. So now the next product is from Palm, green tea alcohol free toner. The thing is, I just always wanted a toner of course. So so the smell is, it doesn't have a smell actually. No, it smells like a little green tea वाला जो smell होता है उससे थोड़ा सा related है वैसा ही. Yeah, it's इतना सा है, but I think I got a very decent product, and इसका price था I guess 149. I think till now that it's a good product, not bad. I think you should go for it, but I'll be updating it on my Instagram, so stay tuned there, and I'll be linking it down below my Instagram ID, so follow me on Instagram. ज़्यादातर चीज़ें तो मैंने पाम से ही एक्चुअली खरीदी है. सो नाउ दिस इज़ द नेक्स्ट वन. दिस इज़ द फूड क्रीम, एंड इसका भी साइज ही छोटू है. लाइक ट्रैवल पैक के लिए, ट्रैवल किट के लिए बहुत अच्छा है ये वाला. एंड ये है एक फूड क्रीम. सो आई जस्ट वांटेड टू ट्राई अ फूड क्रीम. आई हैव नेवर यूज्ड इट. सो इसका इसका ना फ्लेवर वो कॉफ़ी का है एंड इट स्मेल्स एग्जैक्टली लाइक दिस विच आई जस्ट रियली लाइक इट. एंड इसका प्राइस आई थिंक 99, हाँ 99 था, विच इज़ अ वेरी डिसेंट प्राइस फॉर इट. एंड आई जस्ट रियली लाइक इट बिकॉज ऑफ इट्स फॉर्मूला, बिकॉज ऑफ इट्स आई हैव यूज्ड दिस yesterday and I think it's a very decent product and इसका स्मेल भी बहुत अच्छा है. So go for it guys. I'm rating this a thumbs up. Next thing which I have is a Mamaearth face mask. So actually क्या हुआ, इसका भी मैं बहुत ही ज़्यादा एक्सपेक्ट कर रही थी. जो जो इमेज में दिखाया गया था वो एक डब्बा था एंड आई वाज लाइक थिंकिंग इट ट्राई में अगर मुझे डब्बा मिल गया तो बहुत अच्छा होगा. बट एक्चुअली इट केम लाइक दिस. आई गॉट 2. I don't know why I got 2 but actually it came in this ट्यूब वाला फॉर्मूला में आया. बट इट्स ओके, लाइक ठीक ही है. ये उपटन फेस मास्क है विथ सैफरन, टर्मरिक एंड एप्रिकॉट ऑयल. आई डोंट नो इट्स what it says but it smells like Colgate. So another product which I bought, this is Palm Body Gel स्क्रब. एंड एक्चुअली मैं इसके लिए भी बहुत एक्सपेक्ट करी थी बिकॉज इसका डब्बा इमेज में इतना बड़ा था एंड एक्चुअली आया इतना छोटा सा. अगर मैं एक दिन यूज़ करूँगी तो ये ख़त्म हो. ओके आई एम जस्ट ऑब्सेस्ड विद द स्मेल नाउ बिकॉज इट हैज़ चेरी. सो आई थिंक इट हैज़ अ वेरी गुड स्मेल. बट या आई जस्ट नीड टू यूज़ दिस. I'll be showing you guys. I'll be reviewing it guys so soon. And the very last product which I have, and I think I should give a thumbs up because of the packaging. Like it's so small, like quantity भी बहुत कम है. And this is a green tea renewed clarity night gel, जो बहुत ही छोटा पैकेज में एक दिन यूज़ करेंगे तो ख़त्म हो जाएगा एक्चुअली. सो आई एम, एंड इसका प्राइस भी 175 है इसके लिए, जस्ट इसके लिए. आई एम नॉट लाइक दिस इज़ टू मच नाउ, दिस इज़ सो स्मॉल गाइज. लाइक बाकी के लिए तो इट्स ओके बट ये थोड़ा सा ज़्यादा हो गया. बट या आई एम टेलिंग अबाउट द स्मेल नाउ. आई डोंट नो, इसका ना पूरा एक जेल फॉर्मूला है, बहुत अच्छा लगता है देखने में. एक्चुअली एलोवेरा जेल की तरह है, लाइक जेली फॉर्मूला. यू जस्ट सी दैट विच इज़ नाइस. या इट गिव्स अ वेरी ब्यूटीफुल स्माइल. या बहुत अच्छा है इसका फॉर्मूला. बट ये भी थम्स डाउन है. Now it's the ending time, but we have another one thing, like they gives a free gift to you guys. And when you just purchase something, they gives a free gift, and this is the gift I got. I got a leather pouch, and this is in the color maroon, and I just really love the color. Everything about it. This one you just get a plus point. Like gifts अलग अलग होते रहते हैं. Don't expect that हमेशा आपको एक pouch ही मिलेगा. नहीं, you know, आपको जितना भी मीन्स परचेज करोगे आपको अलग अलग गिफ्ट मिलते रहेंगे. लाइक यू विल ऑलवेज नॉट गेट अ पाउच, यू विल गेट समथिंग एल्स ऑल्सो. सो येस, जस्ट कीप दैट ऑन माइंड. डोंट एक्सपेक्ट अ पाउच every time you purchase. So that is all for today guys. Do like, share, comment and do subscribe to my channel. Click on the bell icon for the further updates. फिर से बोलती हूँ, do like, share, comment and do subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon for further updates, and do download the apps and get the free trials and only pay for the shipment, delivery charge. And that is it for today. I hope you have liked the video. So I love you guys so very much.